All right, my name is Kevin, and this is day 2 of my upload challenge. The goal of this is simply to upload a video every day in the attempts to demystify this process and try to get into building a new habit of making videos, collecting content, getting it through the process to be able to share. So from here, we're just starting simple. Yesterday was the first day I made it through the entire process, turning on the cameras and equipment, recording for some time, getting it into the software, into the DAW, and building up a quick thumbnail and getting it uploaded. So it may seem small, but for me, it was a huge step. And today it was simply to fill the time, fill the two minutes with more potent content, which in this case, it's just sharing this goal. So that's what we're doing. From here on out, I'm gonna just start evaluating the process, making little changes each video to work on audio, maybe the editing, cutting out dead air, and all of those sorts of little things that make videos easier to watch. So that's what we're doing, and throughout the whole process, I'm going to pick a new element of who I am, personality, my artwork, maybe music, and just find a new little theme to add into each video. And that way, by the end of this challenge, which technically it's an endless challenge, so hopefully we won't stop making videos each day unless, of course, we regroup and move in a different direction. But anyway, we're here for now, and the videos are just going to be that. Thanks for watching. Take care. See y'all tomorrow.